I'm here to show you this really cool product. This is a 121 piece MOLLE kit. It isn't as big as it looks, but one of the things I want to show you here is you can take this out. Okay, you attach this to your backpack or to whatever your go bag, and it sits on the outside, and then you just rip that off when you need it. So it becomes pretty handy little product. It does come with 121 pieces. There's an emergency blanket in it. There is a compass, comes in very, very handy. There is medical equipment in here, tape and bandages. There's also this neat little tool that you can use. Comes with a little knife you can see there for cutting things and whatever you might need. So it also comes in here with several things in these pouches, including a pair of medical scissors and some other products in here, including something that if you wanted to use your compass and put it on your backpack, you could. Lots of really, really nifty stuff in here that you would never think about having. It even has this really handy tool, which I really like. This little tool has a little spoon, and it has several other functions on it. It's rated edge here. This comes in very handy. It also has on this end where you can use it as a knife. You can use this if you're working on small game. It's very handy when you're out camping and hunting, things like that. And it comes with a little cover. So those are just some of the pieces. There is 121. I don't have time to go through them all, but I do highly recommend this, especially if you're looking for something that's kind of small, easy to carry, easy to put on your backpack. And yeah, check this out. Like I said, you can go to my storefront and purchase this, but if you're already looking at it, just go ahead, give it a shot, and leave me comments and let me know what you guys think of this. Thanks. We'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.
Prepared, not panicked. This is Default Prepping. Real-world gear recommendations, real-world strategies. Because when it happens, you're either ready or you're not. Semper Paratus, always ready.